mic on?
Should be. I don't see the red light. Yeah, the red light is on. Alright, you wanna go on us down? Or are you good? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What go on, OJ Merge? Ha! It's been a while, ain't it? So, OJ Day again, and take a little time out, but we are back again with another vlog, and to give you guys some updates, and just to check in, you know, because I know you guys haven't seen us for a long while, so there's a lot to talk about that has happened, some places we have traveled to, and you know, all the things that we've seen. So this is a light introduction about what is to come, but we just want you guys to know that we are back. For the people who have been here for a long while, you know, O and J, you know, J, my American wife, O, the Jamaican, and we are a intercultural couple that, you know, married several years ago. You can go down the rabbit hole on the channel just to see some of the videos that we have posted. You can see some of the challenges that we have posted, some of the things that we do, just everyday life, and you know, having talks. She has been pursuing her career, and she's almost there with it, almost finishing up to get that degree to, you know, make a move. So she will give you guys some more on that.
Okay, well, what's up, y'all? It's OJ Merge back with another video, and we're so happy to reintroduce ourselves to those of you who have been following our journey for a while now, and also to those of you who may be new here. As my husband O outlined, we are an intercultural couple. Typically, we highlight intercultural relationships with a specific focus on dating Caribbean and Jamaican men and American or foreign women, you know, merging the two cultures essentially. And we don't know, now that we're back, we probably keep that same energy, but we definitely want to give the people what they want. So as you guys interact with us and comment and sending your inquiries, we'll have a better idea of what's been happening with you and also what type of content you want. I am currently a counseling student in training. So I am pursuing my master's degree, on the path to earning my licensure as a therapist. I will graduate this year, God willing,
yes,
with my master's degree in clinical social work. And I'm currently still under supervision. So I'm super excited to take consulting with you guys and coaching with you guys and providing insights to the next level.
How has it been for the people that has been here for, you know, over the years? How some of those relationships turned out? Give me some updates. Let me know, you know, how y'all intercultural relationship turned out. What go on in our life? You know, if it lasted, if it didn't last, who wrong, who right, which really and truly, wrong or right is subjective. But we just want to check in with you for making you know what is really happening. There will be, you know, many vlogs coming in the foreseen future. And as usual, who is here, you know, and been loyal, we have to say shout out for them. I still see the comments, still seeing that you guys still watching videos. The channel was down for a long while. We kind of took a break for a little bit, so we kind of took the channel off for a while. So if you guys tried to find it, it had been, you know, pulled down for a little bit because we're moving around. We lived in some different states. We live in some different states and we tried some different things. Some of those we will upload just to kind of give you guys, you know, a little taste of that journey. But yeah, let me know how, you know, we had some people over here that kept, you know, giving us some feedback about how their situation was, you know, how life was going, some of those relationships. Let me know if they lasted, because, you know, the channel has been around for several years, and some of those conversations that we had with some of our subscribers and some of, you know, the people that were here, we just want to know how it went. And for the new ones, give us some updates. You know, we'd love to know, you know, if those situations lasted, how is it going, what are the differences, what are the stereotypes, and all of that good stuff.
And comment down below, let us know if you're new here, if you're just finding us, or if you like an OG, you know, if you've really been a part of this Merge Fam community for a while now. Yeah, and let us know what you've been up to for the past couple of years too, because that's a stretch, you know?
It is a stretch, it is a stretch. It's been a while. It's been a while,
yeah.
You know, and as we said, some updates will come and we'll give you guys some information and, you know, we'll talk.
We got some juicy story times for y'all.
Most definitely, but we have to see the engagement. So for all the new persons that come across the video, you don't know it, go like, share and subscribe. You know, tell a friend also. And just you know, put a word out there for you and share.
And only other thing that comes to mind is that, you know, time is moving really fast, you guys, and at the end of this year, O and I will be celebrating 7 years of marriage. So for a lot of you guys, when you first met us, we were in our couple months phase. We were celebrating our first year.
Yep.
So it's amazing. It's almost scary how fast time flies.
And also, I know that y'all, you know, on the channel, y'all will see, you know, our son has a baby. He has grown up now. Kingston has, you know, he has grown. He's a big boy now, and we will also, one of these videos, show you guys. We'll also bring him on one of these vlogs so you guys can see him.
Yeah, he's dying to meet you guys.
Yeah, so
itching.
As I said, you know, back then, you guys saw him as a baby. I want to fact when he just came out of the hospital. So right now, he's a little bit older. So one of these vlogs, we'll bring him in and we'll let you guys get a chance to, you know, see him.
What else you got? That's it for now?
Yeah, man. So I eat that for now, you know. And it was nice checking in again. Happy to be back. Happy to give you guys these vlogs. Happy for us to sit down and talk. And we're going to do some lives. And we're going to do some giveaways. We're going to do a lot of different things this time around. Alright? So O and J and OJ merge. And we out.
One more
Boom.
time again. Merge.